Hello everyone, my name is Tyler. This is a continuation from my previous video where we expand the movement of GD Quest's tactical RPG movement series. Today we're going to be implementing unit collision based on team, and what this means is that units on opposing teams cannot walk through each other like those on the same team, and instead they must walk around those they are opposing. I will say that my solution isn't optimized, optimal, nor is it the best fit one for like any project. But it is a solution that I found, and I'm hoping to teach it to others so that more people can create games for a genre I love. With that out of the way, taking a look at the game board, you can see that I've put 3 copies of the bear unit, and I've named them enemy 1, 2, and 3. I've also changed their color to red using the modulate ability under visibility, and you can use whatever unit that you want, but for the purposes of this video, I'll be using this setup to show results at the end. Okay, so we're going to take a look at what we currently have right now, and to do this, we're just going to start the game. And by clicking these units, we can see that the units can move through each other without any penalty, and this is a problem. And the reason this is a problem is that we need the units to have collision so that players in the AI can implement certain levels of tactics based on terrain, their available units, and the opposing team's units that are blocking their path. Alright, with this in mind, we're going to be going to our unit GD script by going right here and then clicking open script. We're going to add a line here that says at export var is underscore enemy of type bool. And essentially this is our way of signifying that certain units are on the enemy team or aren't. Going back to our 2D scene, we're going to click on this enemy right here. See here. And as you can see, we have a box that says whether this is true or not, and we're going to be marking this as true for all of our enemies, and now we have an enemy team. Next, we're going to want to go to gameboard.gd, and we're going to want to scroll all the way down to our Dijkstra's algorithm to about right here, and we're going to be adding if is underscore occupied coordinates. If underscore active underscore unit dot is enemy is not equal to underscore units coordinates dot is underscore enemy distance to node will be equal to current dot priority plus max underscore value. Alright, essentially we're going to be checking if the current tile is occupied by unit. If it is occupied unit by unit, we're going to check if that unit is on the same team or the opposing team of the current active unit that we have selected. And if they're on the opposing team, we're then going to set the distance to that node to the max value that we defined in our previous video to make them impassable. Alright, we can now run our game. And with that, you could see that we now have unit collision based on team. As you can see, we cannot exit, nor can the other team enter or walk through us. So I will say that if you do want every unit to have collision, you can just remove this line right here, save that, run, and then every unit will not be able to walk through each other if that's what you desire. But besides that, the next video of the series will be about drawing the attack ranges. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll answer them as soon as I can. If you would like the completed code with my comments, check out the GitHub repository link I have for this video series. And lastly, I would like you to please like and subscribe to show your support. And yeah, thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.